again on my lip gloss. I don't like stuff on my lip gloss. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig is the one that I currently have on, and it is by Bobbi Boss in the style Keva. So I'll go ahead and install a wig, and then I'll come back and give you my 2 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
Little. 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 little.
As stated in the intro, this wig that I currently have on is Bobbi Boss Keva in the color tt4bldbr. This wig is a lace front wig. It comes with 3 combs. It's not in the front, that's why I paused. It's like right here in the middle. So like right here, and at the back with adjustable straps. It also comes with adjustable elastic band for extra security, which I cut off because it was annoying. The wig comes with a 13x7 hand-tied lace. So 13 going across, 7 going back. The lace is AG transparent. The hairline is custom plucked to give it a natural hairline. This wig comes with free parting, which allows you to part on the left side, on the right side, or in the middle. The wig does come with baby hairs, and it is priced to start at $37.95. Again, what I think is important about this wig, the length, the color, and it's by Bobbi Boss. So okay, so I'm only taking points off for this because the flyaways is getting on my lip gloss. I don't like stuff on my lip gloss. So with that being said, I think I'll give this wig a 9.5 because I think this is my birthday wig. I know I keep saying that. I think that's like the 3rd wig that I say this is my birthday wig. But look at the colors. Now, I do think this wig is definitely not a new wig. This wig is definitely not a new release. So this color may be sold out. I don't know if they're going to be bringing it back. But be on the lookout for it if you really want it. Or you could, I guess, email one of them that sell the wig and ask them, are you going to bring it back? And they'll tell you. But there was some in stock when I did check, when I did my research to find out the pricing and more about the wig. But I think I will take off, I think I'll give this wig 9.5 for the flyaways. Because I love the color. It's not too long, it's not hot. But baby, I can't get past the color. Imagine this with a nice bodysuit. Bam! I'm playing. I ain't going nowhere for my birthday. But I don't know. I might, because I'm turning. Okay, let's not talk about my birthday. Okay. So, what do I like about the wig? Like I said, I like the color. I like the length. I like that you could part it either way because it's a free part. What I don't like about the wig, the flyaways. I sound like a broken record, but hey, I don't like flowers. If I don't like it, I don't like it. Okay, I don't know who else out there gonna like it or who it doesn't bother, but it bothers me. So I'm letting you know I don't like it. Okay, so okay, let me stop playing. With that being said, if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. I'd like to say thank you for watching my video in its entirety. And if you haven't already, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. And if you did, welcome to Beautiful Eye. My name is Auntie TT. Go ahead and hit the notification bell, smash that like button, and leave me a comment down below of how fabulous you think this wig will look on me or on you. If you watch my video, bye now. See you in the next wig review.